Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Jane Info. I hope you will be fine this time we talk about the revenge box office collections of Ranveer Singh's thriller surpassed rupees 700 crore in India on second Saturday. The Revenge will most likely become the highest grossing Hindi film of all time, beating its predecessor before the end of this week ETA Wednesday by Jitinder Singh updated on 29th March 2026. Durandar The Revenge Hindi collected rupees 56 crore net approx on its second Saturday, registering a 50% jump over Friday that may seem somewhat low at first glance. However, since Friday benefited from the Ram Navami holiday in some of the states, the real value of growth is closer to 75%, which is more like it. Having said that, the level of the collections film is operating even 50% would be very much acceptable. The fact that it is managing to grow this much is simply fantastic. The total box office collections for the Ranveer Singh thriller now stand at rupees 664 crore net approx. The second weekend should go over rupees 155 crore net, which will take its total around rupees 725 crore at EOD today. The film will most likely become the highest grossing Hindi film of all time, beating its predecessor before the end of this week, ETA Wednesday. In addition, the South dubbed variants have collected rupees 38.50 crore net approx, which takes the all variants business over the rupees 700 crore net mark. For rupees 702.50 crore net approx, this also means Rundhati Revenge will become highest grossing Bollywood film a couple of days earlier, likely tomorrow. The second Saturday numbers are the highest ever of all time, beating the previous best of rupees 49 crore net by its own predecessor Dhurandhar. From from here on, it will turn into a head-to-head between the two films for daily records by Dhurandhar. The Revenge will probably take second Sunday. From the second Monday, it will become challenging. The first Dhurandhar had a modest start before building momentum through its first week and then unleashing extraordinary numbers in the second week. Unlike that, this one started with a bang and has so far trended superbly as well. The box office collections of Dhurandhar, The Revenge in India are as follows. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.